Foods that damage the liver, worst foods for liver function. Welcome to Healthy Bodies. We provide daily videos on a wide range of health topics. So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, that way you will never miss any of our updates. In today's video we look at foods that damage the liver, explain how these affect the liver and what you can do to reverse any damage. We also provide 2 different recipes for great liver detox smoothies. There are many foods that are toxic for the body and can harm the health of your liver. Consuming wrong foods causes inflammation and damage to the liver cells, which can lead to fatty liver disease, hormone imbalances, jaundice, belly fat, cirrhosis and ultimately liver failure. There are 2 major types of fatty liver disease: alcohol-induced and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Fatty liver disease affects nearly 1 in 4 adults. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is most commonly diagnosed in those who are obese, live a sedentary lifestyle and who eat a highly processed diet. Alcohol. The liver's main function is breaking down and getting rid of toxins in the body. When it filters out alcohol, poisonous byproducts are created, which can inflame the liver cells. This causes fat to build up in the liver, otherwise known as alcoholic fatty liver disease. Fortunately, the liver can repair itself from alcohol damage, providing you cut out alcoholic drinks such as beer, wine, whiskey, vodka, gin and other spirits. Alcohol can cause a vitamin B1 deficiency. Fortunately, there are many foods that can help correct this deficiency. There are high concentrations of vitamin B1 in cereals, as well as yeast, beef, pork, nuts, whole grains, liver, eggs and pulses. It can also be found in fruit and vegetables, such as cauliflower, oranges, potatoes, asparagus, and kale. To quickly detoxify alcohol from the liver, why not have a healthy smoothie? Try consuming celery, parsley, spirulina, lemon juice and a cup of green tea, in a blended smoothie. This liver cleansing smoothie will provide your body with an instant boost of liver cleansing vitamins and minerals. Celery is an amazing alkaline food, which will cleanse your blood, and give your liver a helping hand with the blood purification. Parsley leaves are concentrated in health-boosting nutrients, as well as being rich in enzymes and cleansing chlorophyll. Trans fats. Trans fats, or trans fatty acids, are a form of unsaturated fat. These fats occur when vegetable oils are chemically altered, in order to stay solid at room temperature. This gives them a much longer shelf life, and examples of trans fat products are crackers, cookies, cakes, frozen pies, baked goods, snack foods such as microwave popcorn, frozen pizza and fast food. Trans fats include some of the worst liver-damaging foods: hydrogenated oils like vegetable oil, margarine and easy spreads. These cause massive amounts of inflammation in the liver, which can lead to fatty liver disease, inflammation and scar tissue known as cirrhosis. In today's hectic world, it is all too easy to grab a fast food meal on the run. However, meals such as French fries and burgers are an extremely poor choice when it comes to liver health. Eat too many foods that are high in saturated fat, and it simply makes it much harder for your liver to do its job. We recommend cooking your own healthy meals, using extra virgin olive or coconut oil. These foods are rich in medium-chain triglycerides. These are healthy fats, which are easy for the liver to process and are converted into energy quickly. Fillers. Pre-packed and processed foods often use fillers, or bulking agents as thickeners or preservatives. If you check the product packaging, these can be usually identified as one of the following 3 offenders: either maltodextrin, dextrose or polydextrose. Maltodextrin is the most common form, and is frequently added to items such as ready meals, soups, cakes, sauces, dressings, puddings, as well as vitamin supplements, medication and even some baby milk formulas. These fillers are one of the highest ingredients on the glycemic index, and can cause a massive spike in blood sugar levels, which then damages hepatic cells within the liver. This can cause insulin resistance and inflammation throughout the organ. We recommend that instead of consuming ready meals, you should start cooking your own healthy meals using fresh and healthy ingredients. Also, try consuming apple cider vinegar and water daily. This helps to strengthen the stomach and reverse damage caused by filling agents. Sugar. Eating too many sugary foods can often cause insulin resistance in the body, which can damage hepatic stellate cells in the liver. Once damaged, this slows down liver function and prevents it from being able to process fat properly. The end result is then non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The worst foods for sugar content are items such as donuts, cereal bars, fizzy drinks, biscuits, confectionery, fruit juice, ketchup and barbecue sauce, low-fat yogurt, and many breakfast cereals. You should always check the labels for hidden sugars labeled as maltodextrin, high-fructose corn syrup and fruit concentrates. To reduce sugar cravings and help you cut back on your sugar intake, try eating foods which are high in potassium. Foods such as kale, avocado, spinach and beetroot tops. Sugar-free soda. And if you fancy a drink, just choosing a sugar-free soda does not necessarily mean it is then good for the liver. Fizzy drinks contain artificial sweeteners, such as aspartame, which converts into toxic compounds in the liver. This can trigger fatty liver disease, weight gain, obesity, type 2 diabetes, and many other health problems. Furthermore, many of these fizzy drinks also contain caramel color, which forms sticky proteins, also known advanced glycation end products. These can harm and block the liver, pancreas, arteries and kidneys. Salt. Your body does need some salt, however many people consume far too much. A diet that is too high in sodium can lead to fibrosis, which is the first stage of liver scarring. However, there are some easy things you can do to reduce your salt intake. Avoid processed foods like bacon or deli meats, choose fresh vegetables instead of canned ones, and of course, don't coat your food in salt every mealtime. Soy. Foods which contain soy can be quite harmful to the body. 80% of soy products are genetically modified and contain herbicides such as glyphosate, which can cause liver disease. Quite often, soy is hidden in many different foods unbeknown to the consumer. Vegetable oils, protein bars, diet shakes, ready meals, vegetarian meat substitutes, soy milk and even some baby milk formulas can all contain soy. The best way to reverse damage caused by eating lots of soy is to consume cruciferous vegetables to detoxify the liver. These include items such as cauliflower, cabbage, kale, garden cress, bok choy, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. Fruit. Fruit can be quite nutritious in many ways, however unfortunately it can also rank high on the glycemic index. Those who consume too much high-sugar fruits are more likely to suffer with a fatty liver, especially later in life. It's the sweeter fruits, such as apples, grapes, oranges, pears, bananas and mangoes that are problematic, since they are very high in fructose. Fructose is a form of sugar that is metabolized through the portal vein, and sent straight to the liver to convert into fat. If high-sugar fruits are eaten too often, they can actually cause as much damage as alcohol to the liver. Lower glycemic fruits such as blackberries, strawberries, raspberries and blueberries are a preferred option, as they are lower in fructose and have more phytonutrients to protect the liver. Refined grains. Refined grains and flours are again quite harmful to the liver, since they cause a high spike in blood sugar and insulin. This results in fatty deposits in the liver, which block its natural functions. The worst foods are bread, pasta, rice, donuts, pie crusts, pizza bases, crackers, cookies, biscuits, pancakes, and cereal bars. These foods are high in carbohydrates, which have the same negative effects as eating pure sugar. Furthermore, many also contain harmful trans fats. Other considerations. It's not just these foods that can damage your liver. Your lifestyle can also play a part. Smoking, and any form of drug use, can cause irreversible damage to your internal organs, especially your liver. Smoking promotes the production of cytokines, chemicals that cause inflammation and damage to liver cells. The other consideration, if you want to keep your liver healthy, is getting good quality sleep. A good night's sleep is essential, since your liver is at the highest detoxification stage between 1 o'clock and 3 o'clock in the morning. A good sleep allows your body to rest, and when it is resting your body has enough energy to work at its optimal level, and purge itself of toxin waste. So as you can see, there are many foods that can cause damage to the liver. There are also lots of natural foods, which can be used to heal the liver. Luckily the liver has the ability to completely heal itself and reverse all damage, when you consume the right foods rich in nutrients. Eating large amounts of leafy green cruciferous vegetables is the best way to detoxify the liver, and trigger healing within the cells. So to finish this video, here's another great smoothie recipe to help detox your liver. Kale, turmeric and blueberry, liver detox smoothie. Kale is highly concentrated in antioxidants. In fact, it is one of the most antioxidant-rich plants we can eat. Kale is therefore ideal for liver cleanses to purify the body. Ensure your kale is organic. Buying non-organic kale can be counterproductive due to the pesticides sprayed onto our foods. Turmeric is a super spice. It can help purify the blood, fight inflammation and prevent blood clots. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of fresh grated turmeric, 1 cup of organic kale, 1 cup of blueberries, 1 cup of almond milk. Simply add the almond milk and all the other ingredients into a blender, and blend until completely combined and smooth. Pour into a glass and drink as soon as possible. We hope you found this information useful. We have many similar videos being released shortly. So please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way you will catch all the latest updates.